Alright, so in a previous video, I demonstrated how to configure the rareBit Pro receiver to act as a relay device that relays the page alerts from the flags to a smartwatch like the Apple Watch. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the same thing, but with this device, the rareBit Relay. So this is a dedicated relay device that does not vibrate, so it only relays the flag page alerts to a smartwatch. So what I'm showing you right now is an early prototype build of this device, so eventually there will be a clip. So the idea is that the referee either has this in their pocket or it's clipped to their pocket somehow, but it's on their person, and that will be the minimum hardware you'd need to relay the page alerts from the flags to a smartwatch. So as you can see here, I'm just walking through the same pairing process as with the receiver in my previous video. So as soon as I open up the app, it's searching, and I'll just hold down the button on the relay device and they'll find each other. It shows up as relay on the smartwatch app, so select that and it should say connected and active, and the flags are then good to go, and you can assign different haptic patterns to the individual flags. Which leads me to the next thing I want to introduce is the match timer that is now included in the rareBit app. But real quick, one more time, the pairing process between the two devices is basically run the rareBit app on the smartwatch, press and hold the button on the relay device, and they will be looking for each other, and when they find each other, it shows up as relay on the Apple Watch, and select that, and then you're good to go. So from that screen, you can actually swipe through to the match timer view, where you just, all the basic controls, up to a 45-minute interval, selectable with the dial knob. There's also a count up timer in green just above the main timer, and for the entire time that your match is running, the screen that assigns the haptic patterns to the flags is also available the entire time, so you can actually just flip between these views at any time. So if you're asking, well, Sam, why do I need this little device to get the alerts on the smartwatch? Why can't I go directly from the flags to the smartwatch? Well, let me throw it back to when I introduced this device, the Bangle JS2 from Esprino. This device does have the hardware that can achieve the long-distance communication that the rareBit Pro flags use. So this does represent the absolute minimum number of devices that you would need to have this functionality, to have this concept of page alerts on the field with nothing but your smartwatch. So this absolutely does that. Check that out on the website. There is an app, there is a rareBit app that goes with this. I'll link the Esprino shop as well, but I just wanted to point that out to everyone again, that this does exist and you do not need any intermediary sort of hardware to achieve this.